Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's been a while that I make a video on my channel, so it's been very busy for me taking trade. So I haven't really made a lot of videos on YouTube. So here I am. For next week, December 13th week, we're gonna have a major, very important. This is probably one of the biggest, one of the most important week for the market overall, because the Fed will make a decision whether they're going to raise interest or they're going to keep the same at the same low interest right now. And nobody knows what's going to happen. But the chart right now, S&P 500 is like very bullish right now. If you look at the chart, S&P's 5 test 470 area like 3 times already. And now it looks like it's want to make the way up to my target is going to be 475 area. And you look at the momentum is the selling kind of done, and now it's kind of going to the upside potential. So I think next week we're going to push higher, and then Wednesday is going to decide whether we're going to come down, test the low around 450, 460, or we're going to break out and rally throughout the year. So that's what is really important. We're gonna have a Fed announcement on Wednesday. All right, so very important day. The lows are a couple stocks that I've seen really good setup for the upsides, which I'm gonna be trading next week. Mostly it's gonna be intraday scalping, buying the dips at the levels, and using the same system that I've been doing this for many years. I'm gonna go over with you some stocks that I really like and the setup and the target. First of all, let's look at Microsoft. Microsoft has a huge day yesterday. The stock around 335 and then it pushed all the way up to 340. All-time high was around 350. Now, if it's following through, I can see Microsoft going back up to 350 and even higher. All right, so that's one. Second stock, Tesla. Tesla is kind of tricky. It sold off really hard in the morning and yesterday, and then by the end of the day, buyers step up and then push it higher. If you look at the 1 hour chart, this is what happened. So stock came down, sold off yesterday, actually right here, sold off, and then the buyers step up, pushing higher at 1 hour chart. So it could be 50-50 right now. But if you look at the daily chart, it really held the 50 moving average, which is going to be right at $1,000. So we'll see what happens. If this one holds, it can go back to 1100, which is going to be the next target for next week. The third stock that I really like to set up is Walmart, WMT. This has a double bottom, and then yesterday the fire stepped in. If this one following through, we can see this go back to 145 next week. And another stock that I can see a continuation into next week is going to be 4F. This one has been consolidating for a month, over a month. And now buyer coming in on Friday, huge candle up. It's going to be following through maybe next week into 23. It needs to hold around $20. If this one cracks below $20, they're going to be careful about that. Last but not least is Apple. Wow, I was like, wow, this is insane. But then, well, be careful with Apple. This is a very parabolic move. We might have some pullback next week. I think it might go up on Monday, maybe. And then probably going to pull back into 175 area. I wouldn't want to buy here as an Apple. Even though I know it's a good stock, but don't want to touch this one right now, guys. So happy trading next week. Be careful on Wednesday. I would not take any trade on Wednesday or very small size because the market can be very interesting and very volatile into the FOMC. I think Monday we're going to rally up, and then Tuesday we might pull back, and then Wednesday is going to be 50-50. We'll see what happens after Wednesday. Good luck with trading, everyone, and enjoy the weekend. Have a nice day. Bye.